Right, so gold outlook, what can we expect moving forward next week? No, so last night we expected a temporarily pullback, no, a temporary pullback. We are expecting a profit taking, but this is gold on a bullish momentum, no. So it's gonna give us some kind of pullback, but it's we're actually expecting it to go back up right away, no. So just like this, no. So itong area na to, nag-bullish leg siya pataas, and then expecting or we had a short pullback from here. Okay, so that was the entry, no, that was the opportunity for us to get in. So we are following this trend channel, no. And last night or last week, no, we provided a trade signal na we are going to wait patiently sa buy limit na ito. Okay, 4546, and that was from here. So why there? It's because it was a previous resistance turned into a support, and that was the point of break. So also it was from there dito, no, as you can see dito sa um, dito sa area na to, there's our trend line, no? So we're expecting it to go back from here. So but we are actually seeing another point of entry here at around 4588, where it will land somewhere around here. So maraming possible na pwedeng pag-landing yan, but we are just going to follow this trend line now. So if it's going to land at 4588, and if it's going to be it's going to break below, no, so we can actually set it from here. So we can actually look for a, yan. So this is gonna give us a risk to reward ratio of 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Yan. So here, if we're going to wait it out from here, no? So dito, yan. We're expecting it to land there, then go back up. Okay, so kung mag-fail yan, then it might have a deeper correction, no? It might be a fake out, or we can actually just uh, wait it out from there, no? Sa 4546 na buy limit natin. And again, if this one breaks again, then we might rethink our bullish scenario, right? So this is a very long stretch. So if we are going to look at, we can wait it out again, buy opportunity at 4,400. But then again, all of these it all depends, no, if the market condition, if the fundamentals are still intact, meaning yung interest rate will be more dovish than hawkish. Okay, or it may just hold the rate hike, or the interest rate might be just the same. All right, so there's a lot of scenarios, but we will continue to be bullish as long as the fundamentals and the macro is still the same. Right, so if anything happens, if there's inflation coming up again, and we saw that the dollar is going up again, then we might rethink our bullish position. Right, so from here, I would say na gold will probably land at around 4588, because the XAU USD 247 is around 4585 already. It went down to as low as 4572. So this is actually a gauge, no, na what is the sentiment during the weekends. Right, so we might see a deeper correction. It may go down to 4546. Right, so this one buy limit is still intact, but I would actually look for opportunities as well at 4588. Okay, but still the same. We are looking for bullish opportunities or buy opportunities. And looking at the dollar, it's still below 100, which is a good indicator. Oil, USD, oil commodities are still up, going up. So there's still a high probability na yung gold might still have a deeper or bigger correction. Okay, so from our other signals, no? Okay, nawala dito yung signals natin. And so you might want to check our Telegram community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals. And so tipid na tayo dito before, so we had a signal from here. And we had a signal from here, and then tinake profit na natin. So this is another sell limit here, and it's already gaining. So that small gap is our gain, no? So very very small pa, but I would say na it may still go up back sa trend line na to, and then before it goes back down. Right, so for others like GER 40, and so meron din tayong sell opportunities dyan na trade signal natin. Sorry. Okay, so wala na pala tayo sa ating yan. Okay, so from here, ayan, no? So meron tayong sell opportunity there, because we are following this trend, and we are actually looking for an opportunity dun sa pullback, no? So again, we are just limiting our, or we're just setting our expectation very very low for these, and we are still looking for big winners sa ating metals, no, with our gold. And that's it for our trade opportunities, for our outlook. Thanks so much for watching, and I still highly invite you to join our Telegram community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals. So see you there. Nandiyan lang yung link sa bio natin.